We're all set for the second match of the day here in St. Lucia. South Africa taking on Sri Lanka. Big appeal, massive appeal, and the finger's gone up.
The captain has to go.
It's got it.
Yeah, some runs. A bit similar to that. Out. Down the ground. That's as good a stroke as you're going to see all night.
Oh, she's gone through it. She's done well across, and this appeal as well from behind, and the umpires put the finger up.
And the pitch gone. And the theme of the tournament. Oh, there's a misfield. Oh, good shot, that. Oh, lovely. The little scoop. Will it go away? It does. I'll be very surprised if they finish this over. Straight back down the ground, mid-off and mid-on. All gone, straight through it. Too quick, too good. All gone. Yeah, just three women there getting through to double figures. The seamers for South Africa were exceptional. That is a good line, and the fielding is not as good.
Boulder. Edge and gone. That is an enormous wicket. Just time down the ground for 4. 4.
That's a beautiful shot. That is the shot of the innings so far.
Got her. The bails lit up, which suggests that the ball hit the off stump, but they haven't come off.
It's very short again and well worked.
Is extraordinary, and that's extraordinary.
Slow ball gone wrong. That's punished. There's a big shot. There's a big shot. And there is the breakthrough.
I should make that into a good, juicy full toss. Very nicely played. Played in the air, but over the top. And that'll be the winning runs for South Africa. South Africa winning by 7 wickets. And that means they have 2 points on the board. They should fall third in the group, possibly.